Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today we'll be doing a quick Walmart haul. Thank you so much, Walmart, for sponsoring this video. A few pieces that I was waiting on did not come in time, so I'll show you guys that a little bit later. So the first thing that I picked up is this beautiful chocolate brown tote. I love the size of this. I don't have any suede. If I'm not mistaken, I don't have any suede. So I grabbed this little small one. It's so nice. This is how it looks on the side. It does have some buckles right here that you can kind of leave undone if you want your bag to open up a little bit wider, or you can just go ahead and clip them together. But I thought that this was a gorgeous bag. I'm going to show you guys how it looks on the inside because I just have the stuffing. It does come with a strap if you guys want to do crossbody. So I'm going to show you guys the strap. Those suede straps, so pretty, and it has gold hardware. This is how the bag looks in the inside. It also has this little clamp right here where you can clamp your bag closed, so it'll look like this. But I just thought that this bag was so pretty. It has one zipper here. Can y'all see the zipper? It has a zipper inside. Let's go ahead and do the crossbody, and this is where it falls on me. It's so cute, y'all. Y'all have to get this bag. And everything is from Walmart.com, so I have all the links in the description box below. But just how cute is this? I probably would never wear it crossbody, but I do like the way that it looks with the strap. So I'll probably, you know, just carry it something like this or like this. I like that. Yeah, really cute. So this is a very affordable way to be a part of the trend. So cute. And I think they come in a few different colors too, if I'm not mistaken. But of course I got the brown, and it goes well with my outfit today. Next up is some shoes from the brand Scoop. And I actually saw these on Jeronika's channel. They're so cute. She had them in black and burgundy. And then I've also seen someone with a pair of brown ones, but I couldn't find the brown ones. But it's these right here. These are online only. And I'm glad that I sized up in these because they fit perfect. So I got a 9.5. I'm so happy that I did. I love the way that these look on my feet. So it has a nice little wedge. Like, how cute are these? I love these so much. I have some leather cargo shorts, some leather oversized cargo shorts, maybe like a cute little turtleneck, and these would look so good together. So that's how I'm gonna style these up. So you guys will be seeing me style this up very soon. See them? They're so cute. I would have loved to have the burgundy ones, and then when I saw the girl with the brown ones, I'm like, oh my gosh, I wonder where she get those from. But these are adorable. They're not hard to walk in at all because it's just a wedge. So if you know how to walk in wedges, you'll be fine. But super cute. Okay, so the final pair of shoes that I picked up, I was pleasantly surprised. Now I do know that if you go on Walmart.com, you can find a lot of different things, a lot of different brands that they don't sell in store. And these, I wanted these so bad last year when they came out. I think it was last year they came out. I wanted them so bad and I could never find them in my size, but Walmart.com had them. Yes, I found a pair of Uggs on Walmart.com, okay? And can you guys guess which shoe I bought? These are the classic Ultra Mini platforms. Now this particular size is a little too big for me because again I went 9.5. I need a 9, but look how cute. They're so adorable. Like, look at these. They have the platform sole, super cute. And this will be my first pair of Uggs. I've never owned a pair of Uggs before. I like these and the Taz. I didn't see the Taz on Walmart.com, but I did see these and I had to snag them. Uggs in the back, the bottom, and then the nice little cushion in the inside. It is. I just love these. I always thought that these were the cutest. They're just so adorable to me. So this is how they look. Super cute. And this is a 9. They do fit a little too big, so I guess these run big. I'm like the last person to own these, but I had to get them. They're just super cute. Okay guys, so that is it for the Walmart haul. Thank you so much once again, Walmart, for sponsoring this video. I'll have everything that I showed here today in the description box below. Happy shopping. Bye guys.